DGPS surveyors play a crucial role in conducting accurate and precise surveys in Udyog Vihar, Gurgaon. DGPS, short for Differential Global Positioning System, is a modern technology that enhances the accuracy of DGP systems by correcting signal errors caused by atmospheric distortions. With the rapid development and expansion of Udyog Vihar in Gurgaon, there is a growing need for reliable survey data to support urban planning, infrastructure development, and property management. DGPS surveyors utilize advanced equipment and techniques to collect precise location data, ensuring that the resulting surveys are highly accurate and reliable. In Udyog Vihar, Gurgaon, the demand for DGPS surveyors is particularly high due to the complex nature of the area's development. Udyog Vihar is a major industrial hub that houses numerous manufacturing units, office spaces, and commercial establishments. As the area continues to grow and evolve, it becomes essential to have accurate surveys to plan for infrastructure projects, zoning regulations, and land use management. DGPS surveyors in Udyog Vihar, Gurgaon are equipped with the expertise and knowledge to collect data that meets the specific needs of various stakeholders, including developers, architects, and government authorities. One prominent company that offers DGPS surveying services in Udyog Vihar, Gurgaon is SCON Design. SCON Design is a renowned firm specializing in providing comprehensive surveying solutions for a wide range of projects. With their team of experienced DGPS surveyors, SCON Design ensures that clients receive accurate and reliable survey data that meets their specific requirements. Whether it is conducting topographic surveys, boundary surveys, or construction surveys, SCON Design leverages advanced technology and industry best practices to deliver high-quality results. In order to conduct accurate and precise surveys in Udyog Vihar, Gurgaon, DGPS surveyors are essential. Differential Global Positioning System, or DGPS, is a cutting-edge technology that improves DGP system accuracy by eradicating signal inaccuracies brought on by atmospheric distortions. There is an increasing need for trustworthy survey data to help urban planning, infrastructure development, and property management due to the rapid development and extension of Udyog Vihar in Gurgaon. The precise location data collected by DGPS surveyors is gathered using cutting-edge tools and methods, guaranteeing the survey's high level of accuracy and dependability. Due to the intricate nature of the area's growth in Udyog Vihar, Gurgaon, there is a particularly high demand for DGPS surveyors. A significant industrial area, Udyog Vihar is home to several factories, office buildings, and retail facilities. Accurate surveys are necessary as the area grows and changes so that infrastructure projects, zoning laws, and land use management can be planned,